So in this lecture, we will see the overview of SSM Parameter Store, what it is used for. So it is an AWS service which is used for secure storage of your configurations and secrets key. Optional seamless encryption using KMS. It has some encryption using AWS KMS service, and it is serverless, scalable, durable, easy SDK, and it has a version tracking of configuration and secrets. It is secured through IAM rules or policies, you can say, and notifications with Amazon Event Bridge is there, and also it is integrated with CloudFormation. Suppose I'm taking one example. Here is your PC account, and your plain text configuration or encrypted configuration can be stored in SSM Parameter Store, and it will be checked by IAM permissions, and decryption or encryption services will be done through AWS KMS. Next is SSM Parameter Store hierarchy. So basically, all the stuffs are stored in a rank-wise basis. First is slash my department, and inside it there is subpart my app. Then inside that there is dev, and inside that there is DB URL or DB password. Basically, these are uh, your passwords or URL link that you are storing in your parameter store. Next is prod, and it has DB URL and DB password too. Then after my app, there is other apps which is like to be stored in parameter store. Next is other department. Apart from your department, there is other department option, and there is another AWS reference secrets manager, secret ID in secrets manager, and AWS services like AMI, Amazon Linux. So basically, these AMI configuration would be stored in the last part. Okay. So if you are having any AMIs, public AMI, that will be stored, that data will be stored in the last part, okay, in parameter store. So dev lambda function is basically associated with dev DB URL, DB password, and prod lambda function is basically associated with DB URL or DB password. Next is we have two tiers, which is standard and advanced parameter tiers. With in standard, total number of parameters allowed is 10,000. In advance, total number of parameters per AWS account and region is 100,000. Maximum size of a parameter value is in standard, it is 4 KB. In advanced, it is 8 KB. Parameter policies available. So we don't have any parameter policies available in standard tier, but we have in advanced tier. Cost, so there is no additional charge in standard tier, and charges are applied in advanced tier, and that is but obvious. Storage pricing, so standard is free and advanced is about $0.05 per advanced parameter per month. Next is parameter policies. So for advanced parameter policies, basically it allows you to force user to update or delete sensitive data such as passwords. It assigns a TTL, which is time to live, to a parameter, which is an expiration date actually, to force updation or deletion. Next is it can assign multiple policies at a time. And here is a example. Suppose first is expiration to delete a parameter. Second is expiration notification uh, through Event Bridge, and last is no change notification through Event Bridge. So in this, to delete a parameter, one code is there. It has some attributes. It has some timestamp. So it will just tell you that when this parameter which you are storing, like password or any secret key, will be deleted. Expiration notification will notify you before 15 days. Here you can just enter your number of days, that how many, after how many days you want that notification. So that will be notified to you through Event Bridge. And no change notification. Suppose if you are not updating anything in your password or in your parameter policy, then you will get one notification, that is no change notification actually, that you haven't changed anything. And this is one attribute, like after 20 days, you will be notified. So that's all for parameter store. We will see another things hands-on part in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.